Hi ladies, this is Patty Petrie with Makeup P31 Woman. I'm happy to be here with you on Saturday, my day off, and I am looking forward to sharing a new product with you today. As I was preparing for today, I felt impressed that I needed to talk about fear. So I want to share a scripture with you on fear. So if somebody out there is feeling afraid, I hope that this will encourage you. Hebrews 13:6. So we may boldly say, "The Lord is my helper. I will not fear. What can man do to me?" And ladies, I think that when we say we will not fear, what we're saying is we're not going to allow fear to control us, because everybody is going to experience fear. It's just a matter of how you respond to it. And as the word tells us, we don't need to be afraid of man because God is in charge. So I hope that that encourages you today. Now, what I want to share with you today, as far as makeup goes, is what BB cream is and how to use it. So BB cream is basically a tinted moisturizer, and this will provide protection for your face from the sun because it has an SPF of 30 in it. And while it's doing that, it's going to give you a coverage to even out your skin tone. And it's light to medium depending on how much you apply. So I'm very excited to share our new BB cream with you. I just got it in yesterday and I have not used it yet. So this is the maiden voyage, and I hope that you will enjoy watching this. Our BB cream has hyaluronic acid in it, and hyaluronic acid is going to bind 1,000 times its weight in water. And why is this important? Because it makes your skin look smoother and plumper. Also, the SPF that is in this, it's mineral and reef safe, and it protects your skin from the visual signs of aging that come from sun damage. Also, it has ceramides in it, and that's going to help your skin look smooth and hydrated as well. Okay, the way this is put together, it is a it's a mess-free, airless pump. So what that means is when you get it, you have to tap it to get the product to go down to the bottom because there's no air in there. And it's going to give you up to 12 hours of wear. All right, now before I start, I want to just tell you what I've done already this morning. I have applied my primer. This is the hydrating primer. I couldn't think of what the word was, that gives a little bit of extra moisture. And then I also did the set and prime mist, and all that is dry. So now I'm going to show you two ways to apply this. I'm going to show you how to apply it with your fingers, and then also using our brush. This is a total package brush, and the reason it's called that is because there are multiple brushes in here. There's 4 different ones. They come apart. So this is pretty cool, but I'm going to use this one. All right, so first I'm going to take this and I'm going to do one pump like so, and the color that I'm using is light. It's called light. This comes in 9 different colors, which is awesome. All right, so I'm going to just put that on this side of my face and my forehead and down this side of my nose. Look how smooth and shiny that is. Wow, ladies, this is amazing. I have to be honest, I was not a fan of the other BB cream that we had. I did use it on occasion, but this I love. I cannot get over this coverage. Wow. And this is just using my fingers. And this color is perfect for me. This is, it comes, like I said, it comes in 9 colors. It comes in fair, fair light, and light. And the one that I'm using is light. And then it goes on up from there. Okay, now look at the difference. That coverage is awesome. I can't get over this. I was not expecting it to be that great of coverage, but it really is. All right, so the next, and that was one pump. Okay, so now I'm gonna do one pump. That wasn't, I didn't even do a full pump on the brush. And then I'm gonna use the brush to apply it, and we'll see how that works. Honestly, I think the coverage is better just using your fingers. But it's just what you like, what you're used to. It works either way. I love the finish on this, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna do the rest. I'm gonna do a little bit more and just do it with my fingers because I like the way that looks better. And it feels so nice on your skin. Ladies, I'm sold. I love this. How perfect is this for the summertime? I'm good to go. I got my sunscreen on, I got my foundation on, and I am good to go. Awesome. Okay, if y'all have any questions about this, reach out. Like I said, it comes in 9 colors, and you are guaranteed to love it. I hope y'all have an awesome day, and I will talk to you soon. Mwah.